Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about 4 separate moving averages, but before we get started, please consider subscribing to the channel. I try to help new investors go from part-time to full-time. Now, the 4 different moving averages you guys are going to be learning about today are the simple moving average, the exponential moving average, the double exponential moving average, and of course, the triple exponential moving average. Now, the simple moving average calculates the average of price data, which means if you have a 200 moving average, it weighs everything the same. All 200 candles go into the average with everything being equal. The exponential moving average gives a little bit more weight to the most recent candles, the more current data. The newest price data will impact the moving average more with exponential moving averages, with the older price data having a lesser impact. So if you apply that to the double and the triple exponential moving averages, the double has even more weight given to the most recent candles, and the triple has even more weight than that given to the most recent candles on those moving averages. Now, what you have right here, guys, is a basic Bitcoin technical analysis on a Bitcoin versus US dollar chart. We have Bitcoin in a downtrend consolidating after the breakout into an ascending triangle, which is currently a bearish pattern for Bitcoin. Now, to add these indicators in here, you're going to click on the indicators tab up here. You're going to type in MA if you want the moving average. If you guys want the exponential moving averages, you guys are going to type in EMA, and you guys are going to see moving average exponential. That's the same thing as exponential moving average. Then you're going to have the double EMA and the triple. And if you guys want to, you can put stars on all of those. That way, if you search for them in the future, you will see them pop up right here. All right. Now, for now, I'm typing in MA, and I'm going to click on this moving average button 3 separate times for this one chart. 1, 2, 3. And you guys will see up here 3 different moving averages just popped up. If you don't see them, they're just hidden. Just click on that little tab and they will pop right back up for you guys. Now, you're going to click on the settings icon bar for one of them. Most likely that's one on the top. You're going to click on the color and change that to green. You can change them to whatever colors you like, but I just choose green for the 20, blue for the 50, and yellow for the 200, all right? Now, green for the green right here, and at the bottom, you're going to want to make this line thicker, and you'll see why in a second. You'll see the line actually get much more observable, and then boom, all right? I'm going to go to length and type in 20 and hit OK. You're going to go to the next one below it. I'm going to set that to 50 for the 50 EMA, or excuse me, 50 MA. Go to baby blue here. Make sure the line is thick. Okay, and then for the last one here, MA, you want it to be yellow, or I'm going to make it yellow, thicker line. For inputs, you're going to go over here to 200, and just like that. All right, now you have a basic idea of what these moving averages are going to be used for, and now let's start moving over to the EMAs, because I want you guys to see the difference, and you guys can figure out which one is best for you. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to zoom in here to this particular ascending triangle, and we're going to look at all 4 charts. So this right here is simple moving average. This is the exponential moving averages, double exponential moving averages, and the triple exponential moving averages. So you can see on the simple, the 50 and the 200 to make a death cross, they're very far apart. They're about 20% away, 21%, or about $8,626 away from each other. Over here at the most recent one, the triple exponential moving average, we're very, very close to a golden cross. So now is where you guys have to do some work to figure out which chart you guys are going to be using these moving averages on. For now, we're sticking with Bitcoin, of course, but if you go back to the all-time highs for Bitcoin, you can see how each of these moving averages look different. Again, simple, exponential, double exponential, triple exponential. And you can see the one that gave us the best indicator that Bitcoin might fall here was actually the double exponential right here as we had this death cross here. So if you guys go do some back testing for a lot of these different stocks or cryptocurrencies that you guys are going to be trading, or even Forex markets, right? If you guys can find a pattern and see which one was giving you guys the best heads up of a downtrend or a reversal trend or an uptrend starting here, make sure you guys stick with that one. And if you guys don't feel comfortable having so many different lines on a chart, you guys can split them up like this. One of the easy ways to do that is go over here, top right hand corner, manage chart layouts, and you guys can actually just add new layouts here, and you guys can start from scratch. Okay, so it's very, very easy to do. Make sure you guys keep it organized and name them appropriately. If you ever want to rename them, you can just type right here, rename. And this is tutorials for channel, because these are for tutorial videos, of course. But yeah, I can switch them up whenever I want to. So that's it, everybody. Hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Make sure you guys do the back testing to see which ones are going to work best for you as far as the moving averages are concerned.
Talk to me nice.